It's RCB versus RCB today. Team Kohli versus Team Chahal. 40 degrees, we're in the middle of absolutely nowhere. It is green here on this ground, but it is extremely hot and it's time for the first practice game. You've made two teams. Firstly, we'd like to understand, how did you come up with these two teams?
Yeah, we looked about matchups.
Yep.
So obviously we want our bowlers, opening bowlers, bowling to left, right-handers. We want to obviously look at some possibilities in terms of partnerships throughout the order. We also want to provide, as I said, left arm spinners in each team, leg spinners, off spinners, etc., so that we can provide those matchups that they're likely to face in a week's time. So yeah, a lot of thought's gone into it, and we also want it to be competitive.
Are there any particular battles that you're looking forward to?
Well, the first battle is obviously the battle of the captains. We've got Team Kohli and we've got Team Chahal.
Yeah.
And I think when I gave Yuzi the news that he was going to be captain,
Yeah.
his face lit up. He was pumped.
We want him as part of our leadership group,
Right.
Where he brings a different perspective, obviously looks after that spin bowling group of ours.
Yeah.
And we want him to start to think a little bit more about the game and obviously bring that out.
It's indeed a privilege and honor to have Captain Chahal beside us. So happy for you, bro.
Yeah, I'm very happy because even past I civic matches,
Yeah.
I did this job,
Yeah.
and you know what? I always win. My record is 100%.
So how do you prepare for a game like this?
Just give you 100% whatever you practice for like 15 days.
Yeah.
I think this is a time you can, whatever you practice, you can do and freely minded because it's just a practice game. You can see my batsman is sitting there. It's a 360.
Do you want to give him some advice in front of the camera?
Your elbow will go straight.
Yeah.
And watch the ball till the end. Watch,
Yeah.
watch.
Yeah. And Ebi, how honored are you with this opportunity?
I'm very happy. I didn't know I was going to open.
Yeah.
I just put my pads on
Yeah.
because I wanted to be a good player for my captain, to show him that I'm always ready no matter what happens. And now I'm here.
What are your chances? Do you guys think you're going to win today?
100%.
100% eat.
Yeah.
इतने दिन बाद अच्छी मैच खेलने को मिलेगा।
अच्छा।
दोनों टीमें अच्छी है, दोनों
जी।
टीमों में कैप्टन भी बहुत अच्छे हैं,
जी।
ग्राउंड भी बहुत अच्छा, फीलिंग अच्छा आ रहा है।
Dave, you're opening with AB today. Exciting for you?
Yeah, definitely very exciting. He's such an experienced player.
Yeah.
There's so much to learn from him.
And a word about your captain?
Oh, he's a great person to have in the team. He's a natural leader, I feel, and I'm looking forward to play under him.
19-year-old Devdutt Padikkal under extreme pressure to answer that question. So your good friend Virat is in the other team, and you're playing under a new captain, Yuzvendra Chahal. Who is he? Who is he?
He's bowling first 3 overs. And field I will go to set.
There's a threat. Now he's going to set the field for your bowling, and he's saying you're going to be bowling the first 3 overs. Do you still want to hold on to who is he, or do you want to say some good things about your captain?
That's
43 of 33 deliveries. AB de Villiers, the highest scorer for his team, the UZ Chahal 11. What was it like to be out there and open the batting?
Ag, dankie Danish. Dit was 'n baie lekker dag geweest sover. 40 lopies is ek baie gelukkig mee.
Ja. Translation, please.
So AB saying he's very happy to be playing cricket, very happy to be here, very happy with his 40 runs because the wicket's quite slow, it's very difficult.
Yeah.
And it is extremely hot.
Yeah.
It's a very, very hot, but it's going to be quite interesting to see how they bat. He says he's going to need as much sunscreen as possible because the sun's very strong and it's going to give you a very harsh sunburn. But yes, he says he's got his supply of
Direct translation: blood red.
blood
skin.
red.
Okay, Captain Yuzi, are you happy with what AB has done for the team?
Oh yeah, I'm very happy. He did a very grateful job, and I sacrificed my number for him.
Yeah.
So rest my coach
So
will explain.
translation is Yuzi's very happy. He's upset he didn't bat. He was very upset with AB at some point for taking his time while he was batting. So, but as a captain, he's satisfied with the total, and now he's going to show everyone how to bowl.
Dale Steyn, CEO of the entertainment group at RCB, part-time fast bowler, who bowled 4 overs today. Dale, how are you feeling?
4 warm. Ja.
Okay.
So direct translation, it's fire hot. So it's like being in a pit of hell. It's that hot.
Why does Chris want to translate everything for us?
Omdat hy dink hy snaaks, maar rarig is hy nie baie snaaks nie.
Straight direct translation is that I'm one of the funniest guys that Dale knows, and I can't help but be in front of the camera because everybody laughs at my jokes.
Dit is nie waar nie. Dit is
That
nie
is
waar.
100% true is what he's saying.
4 overs, 11 runs, 2 wickets. Welcome back to competitive cricket, Washi.
It felt really good, honestly, and I think I played a practice match after 7-8 months. And
Yeah.
feels really good, and it is a little hot over here, but no complaints. It's really good to be back with RCB, and really good to be back with playing competitive cricket.
You were wicket keeping till now. Now you're going in to open the batting. 126, very easy to get down.
It's a pretty decent score. That wicket's quite slow. It's not the easiest wicket to bat on.
Yeah.
Someone from top 3 will have to make sure that they get a good 60-70.
There, the captain of the other team is again here. This whole video is about him basically. Okay, to begin with, what do you make of his captaincy?
We'll see now because it was just the batting right now. We'll see how he's captaining the side on the ground.
He can say whatever he wants. Four overs, 3 wickets, 13 runs, Shabaz. Wow, what
All
a
thanks to me.
performance.
All thanks to me.
Thanks to captain.
You were telling me before the game started, 6 महीने हो गए मैच खेले. लगता है you were right about the word excitement.
फर्स्ट इनिंग्स जो विकेट था उससे थोड़ा अभी ज्यादा टर्न मिल रहा था विकेट में, तो
अच्छा।
उनको चेज करने में थोड़ा
बैटिंग विकेट था.
Acha, Captain Yuzi, congratulations on registering another win within the RCB camp. Like you said, every time you're captain RCB within RCB, you never lose a match. What's the secret to your success, sir?
I think we decided because AB sir told us they batted for 40 runs, scored 40 runs, so he told us 130, 140 is a good total on that wicket.
Yeah.
But we planned if we bowl 6 over, first 6 over we bowl well,
Yeah.
so we can, it will go close.
Oh, look, it was a challenging surface, so
Yeah.
it brought in different skills. And I think some players certainly adapted better to that. I think for a first hit out, it was well worthwhile, and it certainly exposed some extra things that we need to work on. But all in all, I think the conditions were challenging, and I thought, all in all, I thought we adapted pretty well.
Simon, you must be happy. RCB versus RCB, RCB wins.
Correct. Well, Team Chahal won.
Yeah.
So they deserve the credit today. I thought they played really well. The thing that stood out with them was the fact that the opening partnership set the platform for them, and I thought AB de Villiers and young Padikal batted beautifully on a sort of slowish surface that gripped and spun a bit. So that was the challenge, and we saw that against the spinners. The spinners dictated terms today, and those two in particular stood out, and that was the partnership that changed the game.
One last question. Right at the back of the match, I saw both of you standing here and discussing something. Do you want to let us in on what you guys were talking about?
Not really, no.
No?
Exactly what we spoke about just then.
That's it. No information, Kalveer. Go away. That's it. Go away.